Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about cooking oils. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time to do it. Just click that red button right down there that says subscribe, and when it turns gray, a little bell will pop up next to it. That's called the notification bell. Click on that, and that way you'll get notified every time I post a new video, and you don't have to go searching for it. Alrighty, cooking oils. What do I mean by cooking oils? I mean any type of oil that you use when cooking, preparing a meal. You don't actually have to be using heat, oils for salad dressings and that as well. All right, so let's go over this. I got a little list here off to the side here, so I'm going to be reading a bunch of different types of oils to you, and then we'll get on with this. So, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, pumpkin seed oil, walnut oil, grapeseed oil, peanut oil, flaxseed oil, hemp oil, butter, sesame seed oil, vegetable shortening, lard, tallow, and the list goes on and on. There are all sorts of ones that are specially processed for high heat and those that are not processed for high heat. So it depends what it is you're doing and what type of meal you're cooking as to what type of oil you're going to be needing. So make a list of what you actually have, what you need to have to cook your preps in, and make sure you have plenty of that to make your preps viable in cooking. All right? So think about it. I'll go over this list one more time. Coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, pumpkin seed oil, walnut oil, grapeseed oil, peanut oil, flaxseed oil, hemp oil, butter, sesame seed oil, vegetable shortening, lard, tallow, canola oil. The list, like I said, the list goes on. So whatever it is you use, make sure you have plenty of it, and make sure what you use has a nice long shelf life. If you're using has a real short shelf life, you may want to think about changing it up and getting an oil that lasts longer. Alrighty? And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, please. And most of all, keep on adding to your preps food, water, and other supplies. Why? This is why.